Not yet.
Do, 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 do. I love my wife. She's so awesome.
There you go.
Hey guys, Jack Scalfani, Cooking with Jack show. Are you guys ready? I know it's not that time of year yet, but we're getting a little early start on the fall with some chili. This is a no bean chili. A lot of you don't like beans in your chili. I don't know why. I always like beans in my chili. But this is a no bean chili, keto friendly, so it's a healthy chili. So we're gonna get in close and take a look at the ingredients right now. All right, let's see what we got. Got meat up front, cauliflower, tomatoes, zucchini, onions. Our seasoning is cumin. Got some cayenne pepper right here. Little coriander right here. Tomato paste, pumpkin. Wow, never heard of a stew have pumpkin in it. We have beef broth, oil, salt, little chili powder right here, smoked paprika, garlic powder. You can use any kind of garlic. We got wet garlic also. So we're using two different types of garlics with powder and wet. And I think that's it. That's about it. First thing we're gonna do is brown the meat in a little bit of oil. As with any chili, you can add or take away anything that you love. We love meat, so we're gonna do extra meat. All right, once you got most of the meat brown and the meat's almost done, I want you to add your garlic right at the end. And I want you to add your onions. This is my favorite part about chili. You go ahead and add all the rest of the ingredients in. You got your pumpkin. Now, if you want a really thick chili, you can leave the water out, but I'm adding water because the recipe asks for water. I have no idea if this is gonna turn out good or not. We'll find out in a little bit. So I got water, tomato paste, beef broth, tomatoes, cauliflower. Now, just like we added extra meat, you can add different vegetables, but we're adding zucchini right now. And the seasoning. Okay, so we're gonna mix that all up. Now it's all tight. I'll see you in 25 minutes. You're gonna do manual, plug it back in, hit pressure cook, and go 25 minutes. Right there, 25 minutes. You're gonna cook for 25 minutes and let the pressure naturally release. If you don't know what natural release is, look it up. All right, you ready? It's been 25 minutes and we let it depressurize. Took a little longer than 10 minutes. But let's see what we got in here. And always tip it. There's going to be water on this lid. Always tip it so the water drips back into it. Like that. Wow, I should have doubled the recipe. All right, you know what we got to do to chili. It ain't done till we top it off. So put a little topping on there. Put some raw onions on there. Beautiful. A little bit of cheese. And some avocados. There we go. All right, the only thing I would adjust on this recipe is I would double that batch. I would make it bigger so I had leftovers. That's gonna be gone in like no time. That's it right there, man. There's no beans in it, so you guys can enjoy it because it's keto friendly. I will talk to you later. I will see you on the next episode. I love you. Bye-bye.